Hi editors, I want to show you how to create a split slice transition like this in Premiere Pro. So, move the time indicator to the point of the cut between the videos and move 1 second to the left. Then select the razor tool, make a cut, and go back to the selection tool. Then select this sequence that you've cut. Go to the Effect Controls panel and under the opacity, select this free Draw Bezier tool. Now zoom the preview window and create a triangular mask. You could also try different shapes. Just make sure you connect the mask at the end. Then go to Effect Controls panel and set Mask Feather to 0. We need to duplicate this sequence, so hold the Alt key on the keyboard and drag it 1 track up. Then select the duplicated sequence and in Effect Controls panel check in Inverted under the mask. After that, we need to nest these sequences separately in order to apply Transform effect to them. Then go to Effects panel and search for Transform and add it to both sequences. Now select the bottom sequence first. Go to Effect Controls panel, find Transform section, and click on the stopwatch next to Position to create a keyframe at the start of the layer. Then move a bit forward and set position values to 0, 0, and then move this keyframe to the end of the layer. To make the transition more smooth, set the first keyframe ease out and the second keyframe ease in. Then uncheck Use Composition's Shutter Angle and set Shutter Angle to 180 to add motion blur to the transition. Now do the same with the top sequence, select it, go to Effect Controls, put the time indicator at the start of the layer and create a keyframe for position. Then move forward and double these values. In this case, it is 1920 by 1080, and then move this keyframe all the way to the end. Then uncheck Use Composition's Shutter Angle, and set it to 180 to add motion blur. Again, to make the transition more smooth, set the first keyframe ease out and the second keyframe ease in. We are almost done, but to make a little break in the middle of this transition, move the time indicator to the center of these two sequences. Select the top sequence and make a keyframe on the position. Then expand the position and pull down these two handles. Then without moving the time indicator, do the same for bottom sequence. Now select both of these sequences and move them 1 track up. Then move second video all the way to the left to fill in this gap. Now if you do the preview, you have this nice split transition, so I'm sure that you want to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Please share your thoughts and comments. Wishing you all the best and see you in the next video.